Hello traders, I am back with another video. I am excited now because I've received so many requests to build a Gann indicator for gold. I have been working on this indicator for a very long time now. Even though the scaling and calculation were extremely difficult, I have finally built it. So here's the video guidance on how to use this powerful indicator for gold intraday trading. If you are a Forex day trader, check out our other video on the IQ Gann Levels we uploaded last week for intraday Forex trading. The link is in the video description. Now in this video, you will learn how to use this non-repainting Gann indicator for gold intraday trading with high precision. I will show you when to enter and exit a trade with your profits. I will also show you the indicator's past historical data performance. Once you learn to use this indicator based on wdgann's square root of 9 master chart, there's no going back. Watch till the end as we reveal a secret Gann scaling feature of this indicator that will give you a more accurate Gann signal for gold. Let's begin. This is gold 1-minute chart. Let's add the indicator here. As you add the indicator to the chart, it automatically plots all the Gann support and resistance levels. No hard work and complex calculation from your side is needed. And you can see here how accurately the market has reacted on this Gann minor S2. Then it went bullish till the Gann minor R1 and also reacted on the next Gann minor R1. It was supported by the Gann minor S1 level here. So from here to here, it is approximately $35. Quite a good fall during the US session and a good sell opportunity any trader would want to trade. Let me remove these objects from here. Before explaining this trade here, I want to show you something. This indicator has a handy feature of a one-click close option. You can directly close the indicator by clicking this close button here. Now let's bring back the indicator. As you can see already, the IQ Gann Gold Level indicator predicts the market movement accurately. You will not find any other support and resistance level indicator with this level of accuracy. If you're enjoying this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Everybody thinks that wdgann methods are difficult and complex, especially the master chart and the square root of 9 strategies. Won't deny that it is really complex. But the specialty of this indicator is that it automatically does all the calculations for you so that you don't have to do anything from your side. Levels get automatically plotted and adjusted based on the market movement. Especially in this case with gold, we have a special formula added to give better trade levels with this Gann indicator. We highly recommend using this indicator along with Hydra Trend Rider. Hydra gives strong bullish and bearish signals aligned with the Gann levels. Gann levels will tell you about profit targets, where to set your take profit and also stop loss, whereas the Hydra will tell you how strong the trend is and if it's worth entering the market there with the help of a buy-sell arrow signal. Hydra Trend Rider has a multi-timeframe dashboard, which helps detect how long a trend will be bullish or bearish. It also signals the range market with a gray line. This is last Friday's gold chart. Look how sharply gold has reacted here. Then later on Hydra gave a bullish signal around here and the market moved up. It was a good scalping opportunity. Take a look here. Gann minor levels are always the best for scalping. Combined with Hydra, it confirms the trend for confident entry and exit. You won't find this in other Gann indicators. But with these gold Gann levels, it sometimes acts so powerfully that after the price accurately hits a particular support or resistance level, the market changes the trend. This indicator is perfect for both breakout and trend reversal trading. You can see Hydra gave a bearish signal here. Gold also broke this level, indicating a downtrend, after which the market just sharply fell by almost $35. The market reacted sharply at this Gann minor S1 level. You could have easily exited your sell trade here. Or you could have exited the trade here when the Hydra signal turned gray. Hydra here gave a bullish signal since the trend was no longer bearish. You could have exited here or could have exited here with your profits. Now let's check out the options under Indicator Input Settings. You can change the indicator support and resistance level colors as per your choice from here. Here's the option for alerts. If you set it to true, you will receive an alert when the market touches the Gann major. Before turning on the alert option, link your MetaTrader mobile app with the desktop version. Get the MetaQuotes ID from the MetaTrader app and enter it here. Now enable the push notification. Once done, you will receive a mobile push notification alert with this indicator. No need to sit and monitor the chart all day. You can keep your day job and get notified every time the market touches the major Gann support and resistance level. Now I will show you this indicator's performance on historical data. This will give you so much confidence before using it on the live market. Let's open the strategy tester. I have set it up already. The IQ Gold Gann Levels is already selected along with the gold symbol. I have selected the open price option for a faster backtest. Also selected the date range of March 2025 here. I'll backtest in a 5-minute time frame. For scalping opportunities and sweet point entries with low stop loss, lower time frames are highly recommended. Once you start the backtest, always give it some time to load the data for backtesting. Loading speed depends on the internet connection. Okay, let me remove the grid and change the chart to Candlestick. Starting again. Look how sharply the market has reacted on the Gann minor S1 level. I will add the Hydra Trend Rider indicator here just to understand better trade entry opportunities. Wow, look how accurately Hydra gave a signal here. Let's continue. Another great Hydra signal. The market broke this minor R1 level. A small pullback here after breaking this minor R2 level, and then breaking this minor R2 level, the market finally reaches the Gann major R1 level. All along the bullish Hydra trend was strong. The market even broke the minor R3 and finally touched the major R2. This is a nice breakout trading example. The market moved around $10 to $20 just from here to here. Did you see how amazingly a day high is created around this R2 level for gold? Another Hydra signal around here indicates a bearish trend. The market went bearish till the Gann major R1 level, then again pulled back and reached the next minor R2 level. All I can say is that the market amazingly keeps respecting these Gann intraday levels for gold. This will give you lots of options for sweet point entries and will definitely give you many profitable scalping opportunities. Previously, I used to do all these calculations manually by myself. And yes, it was very time-consuming. But being a pro coder, I decided to code it for myself so that I could save my time and have been working on it for a long time. Upon receiving so many requests for the Gann Gold Indicator, I've decided to publish it. Now, if I zoom in on this chart, then you can see that the market has created a nice sharp pin bar here after a long bearish trend. Later, it moved up. I hope you got the idea of how powerful Gann's trading strategy is. Now, if you have watched the video this far, I assume that you are one of those few people who are serious about Gann trading. Thank you for sticking with us. Here's the secret feature. If you have purchased it before 5th April 2025, update it to the latest version to enjoy this new feature. We have added a marvelous gold scaling system that lets you adjust the Gann levels with 3 unique scale calculations. Scale 1 is the default. The gold market becomes volatile during any major USD news release. In such situations, you can adjust the scaling to align the powerful Gann levels with the volatile market movement. You can choose either Scale 2 or Scale 3 as per your preference and place your take profit and stop loss accordingly. Isn't it cool? So if you have found this video helpful and want to learn even more, follow our MQL5 channel for daily market analysis where we often discuss profitable trade setups using all our indicators. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below and I'll answer. Check the video description for the indicator link. Thank you for your time. I will see you in the next video. Happy trading.